So in this video, we'll learn how to convert a binary number to a decimal number. So let's start with a simple example, which is going to be 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is a binary number which can only be 0 or 1. And the first step that we do is we write the base two numbers below them. So the rightmost digit in the binary number is going to be always 2 to the power of 0, which is simply just 1. Second one is going to be 2 to the power of 1, which is 2. Third one is going to be 2 to the power of 2, which is 4, and so on. You get the idea. And this is 8 now. And now what we do is we multiply 0 by 8. So this is going to be 0. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And we just add this up now. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And this is the decimal value for this binary. So let's move on to more examples. Let's do another example. So we have 100111. So let's start by writing the base two values, which is going to be always starting from 1 to 4. So basically you can always start with 1 and just multiply 2 every time and increase it. So we have till 32 now, and we just add all the ones up except the 0. So we can just cancel this out actually. So now it's going to be 32 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 39. Let's do another example. So here we have all ones. So again, let's start with the base two numbers, which is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And here all of them are ones, so we have no zeros. So all we need to do is just add them all up. So 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 255. Now what if you are given a fractional binary number? For example, 0, 1, 0, 1, and you see a dot in the middle, and then 0, 1, 0, 1. So for the left hand side is the same thing. So here's going to be 1, 2, 4, and 8. And for the right hand side, after the dot, we start with 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8, and 1 over 16. So it is basically the same thing, but we always start with 2, not 1, and it is 1 over 2, 1 over 4. So now we can just add all these ones up. So here we have 4 and 1. It's 4 plus 1 plus, we don't add this, we have a 1 here, plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 16. So you can just type this on your calculator, and the final answer is 5.3125. Now another way of writing the right hand side is 2 to the power of negative 1, 2 to the power of negative 2, 2 to the power of negative 3, and so on. So it's the same thing, is just it starts with 1 over 2 and you just multiply the denominator by 2 every time. Let's do another example for this one. So let's start by writing the base numbers. So here on the left hand side is going to be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. And here is going to be 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 16. Now, and we just simply add them up, add the ones up. 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. And now on the right hand side after the dot is going to be all of them, which is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16. And the final answer is 45.3125. 9375. Now there is a shortcut method on the calculator where you can just type your binary number and it will give you the decimal value instantly, and you can use that to actually recheck your answer, because normally a small mistake in calculating or plussing the numbers up will give you an error, and that will give you a wrong answer. So it's always best to recheck your answer, and I'll make a short video on that, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.